Have you been waiting for the perfect camera upgrade? Well, grab a snack and get comfortable, because Canon is preparing to drop some massive releases this year. From high-end beasts to retro-style beauties and ultra-zoom compacts, the camera market is about to get seriously exciting. We've got fresh leaks, detailed specs, and some big surprises, so let's jump right in and break down what Canon has planned and whether it's actually worth your money. First up, the highly anticipated Canon EOS R10 Mark II. If you've been following the APS-C lineup, you know the original R10 has been a solid performer. But after nearly 4 years, it's definitely due for an upgrade. The biggest change here is a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, a noticeable jump from the current 24 megapixels. However, it's not entirely new, as it's the same sensor found in the higher-end R7. The expected release is toward the end of the year, likely between October and December. So honestly, if you're planning to buy an APS-C camera right now, waiting that long might not be worth it unless you really need the extra resolution. The current R10 still delivers excellent performance and usability. Now, let's move into the high-end segment, the Canon EOS R3 Mark II. This is where things get really interesting. After the launch of the flagship R1, the R3 kind of lost its place in the lineup. But Canon isn't done with it yet. Leaks suggest that test units have already been spotted at major events, and the biggest upgrade could be a brand new 50-megapixel global shutter sensor. That's a huge shift. It transforms the R3 from a speed-focused camera into a high-resolution powerhouse. With global shutter technology, you get ultra-fast performance without rolling shutter issues, making it ideal for both professional photography and high-end video work. This upgrade finally gives the R3 Mark II a clear identity and makes its premium price much easier to justify. But that's not all. The APS-C flagship, the EOS R7 Mark II, is also getting a massive overhaul, and this might be the most exciting camera for wildlife and sports shooters. It's rumored to feature around a 40-megapixel stacked sensor, which is incredibly powerful for an APS-C camera. On top of that, it could support 8K 60 frames per second video, advanced in-body image stabilization, and a much larger, more professional body design. Storage is also expected to improve, likely combining CF Express and SD cards. Yes, the price will increase, but this feels like a true pro-level APS-C camera that could easily justify the cost. Now let's switch things up, because Canon is also working on something completely different, a retro-style full-frame mirrorless camera. Think classic film camera vibes, inspired by models like the AE1, but with modern internals. It's expected to feature a 32.5 megapixel full-frame sensor and focus purely on photography rather than video. This is all about the shooting experience, tactile controls, clean design, and creative freedom. Honestly, this could be a huge hit. A lot of photographers miss that classic feel, and this camera could bring back the joy of simply taking photos. For video creators, Canon is also preparing dedicated video-focused cameras. There are rumors of an R7V, an APS-C video model, and an R8V, a more budget-friendly full-frame option. These will likely be simplified, video-first designs without traditional viewfinders, built specifically for content creators. And finally, let's talk compact cameras. Canon is refreshing its PowerShot lineup, and one of the most interesting leaks is a new model, possibly called the PowerShot V3. This camera could feature a large sensor and an impressive 24 to 480 mm zoom range, making it incredibly versatile for travel photography. Yes, it might be slightly bulkier, but the flexibility it offers could be worth it. We're also expecting the long-awaited G7X Mark IV, which should finally bring a modern upgrade to one of Canon's most popular compact series. Overall, Canon is going all in this year. Whether you're looking for a professional sports camera, a creative photography tool, or a powerful compact for travel, there's something here for everyone. Personally, the retro-style camera and the R7 Mark II stand out the most. Both have the potential to be absolute game changers. But what about you? Which one are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.